Are you there? Baby, are you there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be running 20 questions. These 20 questions was basically questions I felt people needed to know about me, and questions that people have basically asked me before, and I'll be running this with my new YouTuber friend, Dami.
Yeah.
So yep, Dami obviously. So in my last video, and he just started his YouTube channel too. So his YouTube channel is this Dami, and you could just subscribe from the link below. So we'll be sharing 20 questions,
Okay.
and discussing each of them, not extensively. Don't want to do something.
Okay.
First question is, do you like coffee?
To be honest, no. No. Do you like coffee?
Different.
Well,
I can do without coffee, that kind of thing. But it's not.
It's not bad.
It's not a necessity for me.
It's not a necessity for you. Okay. Let me ask you one. What's your favorite pet?
I don't like any pets. I hate animals. I hate pets. I don't like any.
Bro.
Not dogs, not cats, not anything.
Bro. In Ghana here, I tried eating cats. Let me just be honest. Yeah.
Ew.
Yes, like Ghanaians love cats. I had cats once, so it was nice. But I love dogs. Come on, I love dogs.
That's like so
I love
disgusting.
dogs. Eh? That's like what?
That's creepy.
You are going to eat cat today.
Nah, going back to the question. Okay, so what's your favorite place of vacation?
Vacation.
Or where's your dream vacation spot?
What's that place? Like it's always on social media. Like every place is Santo.
Not bad.
What about you?
Bali, because of the floating breakfast. You can basically have like a breakfast and floating like a water, and then you can eat with your partner.
Really?
Yeah. I'll put a picture of what it looks like here too.
Like in Bali?
Yeah, in Bali.
But that's Santo.
Santorini.
That place is dope.
It's good for pictures, aesthetics. It's a very
It's like
colorful.
It's like they don't stain their walls. They don't stain the city or something. Like everything is just clear and smooth.
I think it's in Morocco or Greece.
When we have money, we'll go.
Definitely.
That's all. If you could eat lunch with one famous person, who would it be?
Whiskey.
That was fast, bro.
Whiskey. How about you?
Like in general, just whiskey.
Yeah.
I'll say Bill Gates. To be
Nice.
very honest.
Billionaire breakfast or billionaire lunch.
And I don't have to pay for a dime.
It makes a lot of sense.
I say because I know by the time I'm leaving, whether it's lunch or dinner, he'll probably give me like business idea or like you know.
Okay, so where's the best friend?
Papichillo is in Tama. What about you?
My best
Oh,
friend
of
is
course.
currently
We
in
know. Pam.
He's currently in Nairobi.
Pam. On a scale of 1 to 10, this one I know you laugh, but don't make it so obvious. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate your cooking skills.
Me?
Oh,
I would say 4 over 10. I'm not. I could cook like basic things like noodles, fried eggs, and stuff like that.
That stuff like that is the
But I can't. I'm not so good at cooking. How about you?
You know already. You know already.
0 over 10. You can't even fry it.
No, but I'm not that bad. I can boil water.
Yep, that's a lot of cooking.
Yeah, I can toast bread. Microwave too is part of cooking. Like when you microwave your food, part of cooking. Yeah. So.
Do you sleep with the lights on or off?
I like everywhere dark. You see, I'm a black man. I like everywhere dark, like dark.
I honestly don't mind. Turn on, turn off. If I want to sleep, I'll sleep.
Majority here.
I'll sleep.
What app do you use most?
Instagram.
Hmm.
What about you?
Twitter.
Oh, really?
Twitter, yeah. Twitter because the thing is like you can delete Instagram or delete whatever from my phone. Like Twitter, you just see everything. Like if it is comedy you want to see, fine. If it is bands, if it is like people fooling, you get. If it is gossip you want, just go to trend. And you can follow some particular people on Twitter, and your Twitter will be boring. Like Pexxie, king of content, Pamelaring. Something will evolve. Something must happen. Like that, you see Val King. That roast, you keep roasting you and all that. You have Kush, you have Tomiwa, motivator man. That will just be giving him inspiration and all that. Yeah. So Twitter is fun.
What's your favorite color?
We all know. Black. Black then white.
Mine is purple.
Bro.
That's my favorite color.
Purple.
Yeah. Very red, but yes.
Purple.
Yep. Next.
Like that looks like some Babin Simakoli uniform, like purple and yeah.
Purple is my favorite color.
Not bad. What are the top 3 qualities that draw you to someone like me?
Oh. Top 3 qualities that draw me to someone or that attracts
you
to
to
someone.
someone.
I would say your courage, basically how you package yourself. That's one. 2, I would say so basically your courage, 1. 2, I would say the way you talk.
That's very necessary.
The way you talk. If you're a very loud person or you don't know you don't know how to talk, I don't think I want to be around you for long.
Yeah.
3, if you love food, oh my god, I love your tomatoes. Those are like 3
You can smell the aroma of food miles away. For me, it's just first honesty. You have to be very, very honest, and you have to be very, very clear. As you said, like the way you talk. But me, I like when you talk and like you're very, very clear, like you're direct to the point. You don't have to start playing like riddles and jokes.
Yeah. I'll
just cut you off, basically. So I like when you're very clear and you're honest about whatever it is you want to do. What else? I love clean people.
Okay.
Like they're just another vibe entirely. You have to be clean. You have to be like clean. You have to be clean.
Oh. Okay. How difficult is it for you to forgive someone that refuses to apologize?
That one is never a question, sir. Because me, I will not even wait. I won't wait for you to apologize. Like once you offend me, I'm off. Whether you apologize afterwards, it's fine. But if you don't apologize, like there's nothing like I found out is that when you keep waiting for them to apologize, that means like the hurt is still there somehow. They're just waiting for them to say sorry to suit it. So I won't even give you that chance. I just be like, bro, did you get it? So what about you?
I'm a very forgiving person, but if you offend me and you don't apologize, I won't forgive you. I don't see the reason why we're friends or we're talking, because if you don't find fault or error or like an offensive what you've done, that means you do it all over again and then you start saying to be cool. So if you don't take the the initiative to actually apologize for whatever you've done, then let's go our separate ways.
True. What's one thing you can't do about?
One I can't do without.
Indeed.
My phone. Oh my god, my phone.
Me too. Somehow, definitely. My phone there, like I'll just slim down. Like if I have I'll just fall sick automatically. If I have my phone with me.
Definitely my phone.
Crazy.
Definitely my phone. iOS or Android? I think the fact speaks for itself.
You speak so. We don't even need to answer. Do we really need to answer? Do we really need to answer? No.
I mean, I'll go for iOS and
any day. I do that on
Nike actually.
A good one.
I mean, I'm always so I think we'll run 2 more questions and we can wrap up with that.
Okay.
What is something you look for in a partner?
Understanding.
Okay.
Understanding. Like you have to be very understanding. And when I'm quiet, because I'm not much of a very, 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 very quiet person. Yes. So when I'm very calm about something, like if you know me so well, you should know something must be up. So you should know like how to address, like come true for me. That's not the time when I need you to be ranting everywhere and be telling me things that are not necessary.
Yeah.
Or else you get like a different reaction. So understanding is very, very crucial. Very, very.
Okay. I mean, I would say trust and understanding. If you understand me, they'll be able to trust most of the decisions I actually make. So I feel like
correct.
So yeah,
What's your biggest fear?
Losing my parents has got to be my biggest fear because I've never thought about what I would do if I
Without
didn't lose
them.
and I don't even know how I'm going to cope without them. So that's my biggest
That's major. I think it goes the same for me as well, but mine is like failing them, after all the sacrifice and everything, and you don't now get to the exact standard
that they
expect you to get. So I really have to be like top notch, top of anything I want to do. It's not easy, man, but we'll be alright. What's your biggest regret?
My biggest regret, my biggest regrets in my entire life is going to be dating the person I dated before the person I'm dating now.
Nah, that's complicated.
Yeah, dating my ex, like my most recent ex. That's like my biggest regret ever because it was a total waste of time and
wow,
I wish it never happened.
We are all scum, my babe.
So that's my biggest regret. Other than that, I'm good.
Nothing. And that's really smooth. That's really smooth. I once had like an encounter like that, and it used to just go like in circles. Till like I just, you can't keep going like that. Let me just progress away from this.
Problem.
So what I just did was like, to cut a long story short, just fashion the person because the person actually even cost me like so much, and like they don't even realize like the same thing. They don't realize what they are doing. I don't even think they know till date. You understand? Like the whatever that has happened, but that's a problem. But I know it can't reoccur again. Biggest regrets for me is I didn't follow like my dream, like what I had passion for, and it wasn't like my fault though. It was like circumstances and and you just have to reason with family and the system. I didn't follow my dream. But I'm happy where I am right now because so it's not that I regret. At least we're progressing and we're doing fine. We're progressing and we're doing fine. So that's it.
Okay. Last question.
Ask now.
Guess what the time is without looking?
That's boost. Even if I look at my watch, I didn't set the correct.
There's no clock around.
And it's true. It's 2:15.
I would say to 3.
No, you can't say 3, Baba.
Okay, let me say 2:35.
I said what again? 2:15. You said 2:30. Yeah, let's check.
2:53.
2:55. That was close. But we still 2:2. So
yours was past 2. Mine was to 3. So mine was closer to 3 o'clock. Anyways.
Nice one. Nice one.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We do hope you enjoyed this particular episode, and we'll be churning out more content for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button, share with your friends, family, your exes, your enemies, whatnot. And then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to this Dami, and then my channel is KNGPXXI. The links are actually
In Pexxie.
Peace out.
Because you are me, pretty little baby.